Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song God Rest Ye Merry Gentlemen. As always, I'm going to play the song for you first, and then after I play it, I'll break it down and kind of explain it to you in more detail. So make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and get started with the song.
God rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. For Jesus Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day to save us all from Satan's power when we were gone astray. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy. From God our heavenly Father, a blessed angel came, and unto certain shepherds brought tidings of the same, how that in Bethlehem was born the Son of God by name. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy.
Alright, so for this song we're going to be playing in the key of A minor, which is the minor complement to C, so it's a lot of the same chords in the C chord family. However, I am going to be playing it with my capo on the 2nd fret. So that raises the key up 2 steps to B minor, but I'm still playing with the same chord family. For the strum pattern for this song, I'm going to be using the folk pattern, which is a nice simple 4-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 4 down strums and then up strums added after beat 3 and 4. We also want to make sure that we're just plucking the first note, the root note of the chord on the first beat of each measure. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm just going to hold that A minor, that first chord that shows up in the song. And the root note for the A minor is actually going to be the A string. So we're not going to be playing the low E string on the A minor chord. So I want to start my strumming there. And on beat 1 of each measure, I'm going to pluck just that string by itself. Okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and... The only chords in this song that actually use the low E string is going to be your E7 chord and the G chord. So those chords are using all 6 strings. All the other chords are not. So the A minor, for example, we're not supposed to be strumming that low E string. So for those chords, you can take your thumb and just let it come across the top and touch the low E string so it's muted. In case you do accidentally hit it while you're strumming, it's not going to resonate and be heard. You also want to pay attention for the D minor chord. For that chord, we need to start our strumming on the D string. So we need to avoid the E and the A string for the D minor chord and start our strumming there. Alright, I hope this lesson was useful for you. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.